Hi, I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, and I help teachers successfully integrate technology in the early learning environment. And I'm here to announce that I'm in the final completion stages of my new and upcoming online course/tutorial titled Nurturing Creativity in Early Childhood Education with Technology. This particular course is a hands-on experience for the early childhood educator that takes you beyond just teaching ICT skills and techniques by supporting you with evidence-based ICT teaching strategies that will inevitably develop ICT capability in your classroom today. This course focuses on the use of graphics programs such as drawing and painting programs, and I'm very, very excited to be bringing you this course to help you to continue your professional learning experiences and to promote the development of ICT capability in the early childhood learning environment today. You can pre-enroll in this course for just $10 up until the 30th of July. Otherwise, after that, the enrollment cost will be $55 per person to enroll in the course. I really am excited about this course. I've put so much time and effort into it, not that I need to actually let you know that, but I'm looking forward to seeing you in the course and helping you achieve your goals in successfully integrating technology in your early learning environment today.